In early 2024, executives across Silicon Valley made a unified promise to their investors. Artificial intelligence was going to automate software development, and the human engineers writing that code were no longer necessary. This chart shows the scale of the resulting workforce cuts. Throughout 2024, companies chasing automated profit margins laid off an estimated 124,000 developers from Amazon, Meta, Google, Microsoft, and others. Yet, just months after those teams were hollowed out, the labor market for software engineers is suddenly skyrocketing again. According to projections from Gartner, 50% of the companies that laid off workers to replace them with AI will rehire for those exact same roles by 2027. It's a trend the tech industry calls boomerang hiring. Currently, 35% of new hires are the precise individuals those same companies just fired, brought back to sit at their old desks. Why did replacing a team of highly paid engineers with instant, cheap artificial intelligence end up costing these companies more money, time, and productivity? To understand the breakdown, we have to look at the daily technical workflow. There's a strict difference between rapidly generating syntax, the raw lines of code, and actually developing functional, cohesive software. This graph tracks the immediate operational consequence. As AI code generation surges, it creates a 38% increase in codebase volume. Hidden inside is a severe liability. AI-generated code contains up to 1.7 times more errors than a human's. Those mounting errors broke the engineering pipeline. Instead of building new features, human developers were forced to abandon their own projects to act as full-time reviewers for the machine's output. Companies flooded their internal systems with defective parts. The perceived speed advantage of AI quickly turned into total operational gridlock. These compounding errors stem from a specific technical limitation. AI lacks business context. A generative model can write an isolated function perfectly, but it cannot account for a company's specific strategic objectives or database architecture. When integrating that isolated code into real-world systems, 4 out of 10 development teams report major compatibility failures. This flowchart illustrates a second failure, the inability to self-correct. AI models fail to fix their mistakes in over 60. Trusting an automated system to build software without understanding its business purpose results in code that is syntactically correct but structurally useless. In the current tech ecosystem, AI operates as a hyper-fast, highly flawed junior developer. By successfully commoditizing entry-level basic programming tasks, the technology has made novice developers less essential for writing boilerplate code. As junior job demand drops, the need for senior talent increases, with over 54% of companies planning to aggressively hire experienced developers. Additionally, 61% of companies using AI increased senior hiring specifically to supervise and fix the generated code. This architectural schematic illustrates why returning boomerang employees command a premium. An AI can build an isolated block of code, but only a human veteran understands the tangled corporate infrastructure required to make that code work in a live system. This shift toward automation has moved the burden of work. Companies now require a workforce of expert supervisors to manage the mounting risks of machine-generated code.